In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ADX and DI in TradingView Pro. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to search for, and how to get this indicator onto your chart so you can start using it in your own analysis. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and that you have a chart open. Any market or time frame will work for this, so just pick the chart you want to work with. Once your chart is loaded, move your attention to the top of the screen. You're looking for the Indicators button. This is usually located in the upper area of the TradingView interface, near the toolbar where you change timeframes and chart types. Go ahead and click on the Indicators button. When you do that, a panel will pop up. This is the main Indicators and Strategies menu, and it's where you can find all the built-in tools that TradingView offers. At the top of this panel, you'll see a search bar. This is what we'll use to quickly find the exact indicator we need instead of scrolling through long lists. Click into the search bar at the top of this panel so your cursor is active there. Now, type in ADX and DI. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the list of indicators below. You should see something appear in the results that matches what you've typed, usually under the built-in indicators section. Look through those results and locate the one labeled ADX and DI. Once you see it, simply click on it. The moment you select it, TradingView will automatically add it to your current chart. You'll notice a new pane appear, usually underneath your price chart, showing the ADX line along with the positive and negative directional indicators. From here, you can customize it if you want to. You can hover over the indicator's name in the pane, click on the settings icon, and adjust things like colors or line thickness to make it easier to read. If the default settings are fine for you, you can leave them as they are and start using the indicator right away. Finally, if you haven't upgraded to TradingView Pro yet and you'd like to unlock more features and a smoother experience, check out the affiliate link in the description of this video. Using that link is a great way to support the channel, while getting access to the same tools you're